Hello, my name is Victor Schmidt, and I'm here today to show you the Santa bench being assembled. Grab one side and back, in position, line up the notch with the nubs, self-supporting. Same thing, line up the nubs with the niches. Hold itself up. Grab the upper back. At this point, take the two sides in the back, tip them out. Put in the cross brace. Grab your arm, got a long side, that goes to this side. Put the lower nub in first, line it up, hold the chair, slide it into position, self-supporting. Grab the other arm, long side out, nub goes in first, support the chair, slide it in position, self-supporting. Grab the seat, step to the side of it, set it in, grab it inside, in position, just one arm, that in. Go to the other side, just the arm, wiggle them up and down, put them in position. Put the key in. That's assembled. Thank you for your time.